Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download the NVIDIA Control Panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Store. Best match should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And in the search field up at the top, you want to go ahead and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Best match should come back with NVIDIA Control Panel app. Go ahead and open that up and select the Get button. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And once you go ahead and install it, you can go ahead and open it. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.